Firework FX. First step. Place your bottom lip behind your upper lip. Second step. Create a bubble of air by inflating the space under your bottom lip. Third step. Hold this position and apply some pressure. Bonus step. Try to spread the exhaled air over the entire surface of your lips. The more surface is covered, the more bubble cracks you will hear. Job done. Time to light your fireworks.
Yep.